Want to lose weight while eating bacon and cheese? Sounds like a late-night infomercial, right? Now before you roll your eyes and click away, bear with us for a second. When we think about dieting, our minds often wander to endless fields of lettuce and rivers of water. You'd probably picture yourself nibbling on greens like a rabbit, right? But what if we told you there's a diet that flips this traditional image on its head? Welcome to the world of the ketogenic diet, or keto for short. This is a diet where bacon isn't your enemy, it's your comrade. Cheese isn't a guilty pleasure, it's an ally. In the keto diet, it's all about fats and proteins. Yes, you heard it right, fats and proteins. So if you're tired of rabbit food and water diets, buckle up for the Bacon and Cheese Express. It's time to explore how you can lose weight while still enjoying your favorite foods. You might be thinking, eating fat to lose fat? That's like fighting fire with fire. Well, guess what? Firefighters actually do fight fire with fire. And that's exactly how the keto diet works. Let's dive into the science behind it. It all starts when you cut back on carbs, the body's favorite source of energy. It's like saying goodbye to a lackluster desk job. Initially, your body may protest, much like you'd miss those water cooler chats, but soon, it realizes there's another source of energy waiting to be tapped into. Fats. Here's where the fun begins. Your body starts burning fats for fuel. It's like trading in that desk job for a roller coaster ride. Suddenly, you're burning through calories faster than you can say keto. And the best part? You're doing it while munching on bacon and butter. But the magic of keto doesn't stop there. It's not just about weight loss. It's about feeling better too. You see, when your body burns fats, it produces ketones. These little molecules are like super fuel for your brain. They improve focus and mental clarity. It's like having your own personal assistant, keeping your thoughts organized and your mind sharp. And let's not forget about energy. Remember that roller coaster ride? Well, with keto, it lasts all day. You won't experience those sugar crashes that leave you reaching for the snack drawer. Instead, you'll have steady energy to conquer whatever the day throws at you. So, what's the takeaway? Well, the keto diet isn't just a diet. It's a lifestyle change that can lead to significant weight loss, improved brain function, and increased energy levels. And it does all this while letting you enjoy foods you love. So, in the world of diets, keto is the rock star, the rebel, the one that breaks all the rules and yet gets the job done. Now, before you start hoarding bacon and cheese like a doomsday prepper, let's talk about a balanced keto diet. Sure, we all love a good cheese fest, but keto is not just about turning your pantry into a dairy aisle. If you thought keto was all about living in a cheese cave, think again. A well-balanced keto diet is a smorgasbord of delicious and nutrient-dense foods. Think creamy avocados packed with heart-healthy fats. Picture eggs, those perfect little protein packages. And don't forget nuts, the crunchy superstars of the snack world. It's about variety, flavor, and most importantly, balance. It's about rethinking what we know about food and nutrition. It's about saying yes to fats, but not just any fats. So, put down that block of cheddar for a moment and explore the versatile world of keto. The keto diet is not just a cheese festival, it's more like a foodie's paradise where you can enjoy a variety of delicious and healthy foods. So we've talked about eating fats and proteins, but what about the benefits? Now let's dive deeper into the perks of this marvelous diet. The keto diet is like that friend who always over-delivers. Not only does it help you shed those pesky pounds, but it also boosts your brain function. Imagine that, losing weight while becoming a brainiac. This diet is a powerhouse. It may help in reducing your risk of heart disease by lowering bad cholesterol levels, and it could also potentially help you combat acne. Yes, you heard it right, no more late-night emergency visits to the mirror. And let's not forget about the energy boost. With the keto diet, you're not just burning fat, you're turning it into fuel. In the end, the keto diet is not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a healthier and happier life. So, are you ready to say hello to keto?